Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Sony launched their three new smartphone: the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 3, 5 Mark 3, and a 10 Mark 3. But in this video, we're talking about the Sony Xperia 10 Mark 3. As the name implies, that the third refresh of a 2019 Xperia 10 and a bring update across the board. It's also the first mid-range Sony Xperia with a 5G connectivity. The front is occupied with a 6-inch OLED display with HDR10 support and a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. Sony has yet again gone for a 1021:9 aspect ratio, but managed to keep the phone 3 mm shorter and also shave it off a millimeter from the width, making the Xperia 10 Mark 3 more compact and easy to use. The display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 6 is the back. You also got an IP65 and 68 rating and a headphone jack with the LDAC and a high resolution audio support. The camera department is headlined by the 12 megapixel main camera with a 27mm equivalent lens alongside 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper and an 8 megapixel telephoto with a 54 equivalent lens. There is a 10 FPS burst with auto exposure adjusting for each shoot, like on the more premium Xperia model. The phone run on the Snapdragon 690 5G chipset, paired with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes expandable storage. The battery has a growing 4500 mAh, while the software front is covered by the Android 11. The Sony 10 Mark III come in a black, white, blue, and a pink color. Pricing was not revealed, while availability is coming in early in a summer, so we will wait a little. But this smartphone is already amazing. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new smartphone? And also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.